Today I'm back at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions in Elland, and with Paul Rushworth we're going to be talking about the new models of Alpha machines. Paul, what's changed?
Well, what you see here, Paul, is this is the next generation of the Alpha range of machines with upgraded guarding on the machines, and also one of the key features is it's now available with the new FANUC OITF Plus control system.
Right, now let's come back to the livery and that control in a minute. What about the models that are now available? Because I know you've extended those as well, haven't you?
We have the whole range of the Alphas now, from the smallest machine in the range, which is the Alpha 1350. So that's a 350mm swing over the bed, 650mm between centres, all the way up to the Alpha 1760, which can go from a 1 metre between centres up to 6 metres and a 760mm swing over the bed.
So you're now entering into a lot of different markets with those abilities to machine longer parts, aren't you? I can envisage certainly a multitude of industries where that size of machine could be of interest.
It is. One of the benefits of the Alpha range is it's such a diverse machine, so the range in the sectors it can fit into. So it's everything from a general subcontract engineering shop into defence, automotive, aerospace, oil and gas. And another benefit of the Alpha ranges is with the 3-axis capability on there as well. So we've now incorporated XC versions from a 1400, 1550 and now onto the latest 1760 XC range.
Right, okay, now let's come back to the livery on this machine and the FANUC control. It does look very different. It's modernised, still great access, and of course a much more powerful software on the FANUC system.
It is. This is the latest generation of the Alpha machine, and the machine you actually see here is the Alpha 1550 XC with the latest FANUC OITF Plus control on here. But one of the benefits which we've kept on the machine is the Alpha system on there, which was originally developed back in 1995, and we've just developed that system year on year to make it more and more user-friendly for our range of customers.
Has to be one of the most popular machines when it comes to a centre lathe, a flatbed machine out there around the world. There's a lot out the back here as well. Does that mean that people can come here, Paul, like I am today, and touch and feel and get their hands on this type of machine, and the ones that are bigger and smaller as well?
They can. We've got many of these machines available here now for immediate delivery. The machines are available to come and view, have live demonstrations on the machine as well with our application engineers. We can tailor any specific application that the customer's got to offer a full turnkey solution as well if required.